Hi friends, this is Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique. Today we're going to see how to solve the pop-up notification sound problem on your WhatsApp. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to enable the pop-up notification sound, go to the setting option here, go to the notification. You can see the pop-up notification is not unavailable for your Android. So how to enable this and how to set the ringtone, you just go to your mobile phone setting, just swipe down and go to the setting option here and go to the app section, so where you can clear data or clear cache. I just going to the manage apps here and I just searching for WhatsApp. So just search as WhatsApp here and find the WhatsApp application and click here, and you just want to click here and go to the notification setting here, and here you can see allow floating notification. By this option you can allow the floating notification, and you can also change the sound here. Just click on the manage notification, so just click on allow floating notification, and here the sounds can be changed by using this particular setting. So you can't do it on the WhatsApp setting, you can do it in the go to the settings of your mobile phone and go to the WhatsApp and go to the notification, and here you can change the floating. You can enable the floating WhatsApp, and you can also change the sound of the floating WhatsApp by using this particular setting. So try it on your WhatsApp. If it work, just comment below so everyone will know it. Friends, if you find this video useful, then like this video, share this video with your friends, and if you want more content about WhatsApp, just follow this channel for more content, and we will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.